The squirrel alarm has done its thing, and I'm awake early out here camping. But I thought, since I am awake before everybody else, that I would go down to the creek for a little morning meditation. So, water. Water is a magnificent source for meditation. It's calming and soothing. It can be a still lake, low brush, or in this case, a quickly moving stream, or the ocean, whatever works for you and whatever you have available for water. You hear it? Yes, magic. So here's my creek. It's the worst places to meditate. So finding a rock to sit on. I'm gonna spend the next little bit listening to the water. When you settle into meditation, you want to remove any irritants. Like I did my hair, moved it out of my collar because it was bugging me as soon as I settled in. Find a comfortable place to be. So whatever is comfortable for you. You'll also want a couple of deep breaths. Become present, settle in. And I'm going to do an auditory meditation, thinking about the sounds of the water. There's a little bit of room. Just sprinkle. See if I can hear that. And anything else that comes up. A squirrel. In this particular stream meditation, I'm noticing that this year the water is more, sounds like lapping against a dock type of thing. It's not running quite as fast. And this side, there's more rocks. So there's more of a rapid water falling sound, which is really cool. So you have the stereo effect that's going on. And of course, as you sit in meditation, your mind goes elsewhere, right? Which is the name of the game. And so having that anchor of what do I hear helps me to bring my attention back to awareness of the here and now. There are tons of ways to meditate, and there are so many ways in which you can anchor your practice and your consciousness. The course Conscious Awakening will teach you 30 different styles of meditation so that you can find ones that work for you wherever you are, whether it's out camping in the wilderness or in the city, wherever you may be, whatever kind of approach you have. And all of these forms of meditation can help you improve your brain function, calm your nervous system, and set you on the right tone for every day.